We are living inside of this conditioned version of reality. You, my sweet friends, are more than just a unit of production. We are living inside of this conditioned version of reality. You, my sweet friends, are more than just a unit of production. From the moment you were born, you have been conditioned to operate inside of a limited framework that has you believing that what you produce determines your value and your worth. Well, I'm here to say that it doesn't. Because I've met some of the most successful people in the world. I have the pleasure of coaching them and mentoring them. And I have to tell you that there's a dramatic difference between those individuals that have found a place of connection inside of themselves and those that haven't. So I'm here to say to you that you can have everything in the world, but if you don't have a knowledge and an understanding of who you are, then you have nothing at all. Then you have nothing at all. So how do we begin to cultivate this sense of being enough? Because we can't get there through society's conditioned metric of how we're supposed to be and who we're supposed to be. At some point, we have to revert to who we naturally are. Because it's in coming back to who we naturally are and aligning with life in the way in which it's unfolding that we can begin to find a sense of sustainability. If you are living in this moment wishing that you were a billionaire without any tangible, feasible means of generating $1 billion, then you are deluded. In this moment, if you are thinking that having $1 billion is going to make you something else other than who you are, then you are deluded. Because I have met many a neurotic billionaire who has everything in the world, and yet because they don't have a sense of peace inside of themselves, they're not able to enjoy the yacht, enjoy the house, enjoy the relationship. And worst of all, there's a trail of carnage they have left in their wake in order to produce in the way that they are. Steve Jobs wasn't successful. That is not my definition of success. Somebody who's able to innovate and generate without engendering support, without engendering a team, a collaborative effort, does well. Yeah, they generate this huge amount of cash. But now they have nothing. There's no innovation. There's nothing driving that engine anymore because nobody along the way was empowered in the process. So how do we win? And what is winning?